Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this amazing way and delicious recipe on how I make this pineapple juice. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of coming across this video, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So, let's get started. To begin, I have 2 ripe pineapple and ginger. For this recipe, you will be needing ripe pineapple, so I'll be going off camera to wash them. Now I'm done with the washing. Pineapple is packed with a lot of nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds such as enzymes that can protect against inflammation and disease. So next, I will be drying it up with my paper towel. Once I'm done, I started by peeling off the skin. For the skin, I will not be throwing them away because I'll be using it for another recipe and I'm going to be storing it in the freezer. Next, I'm going to be chopping them to my desired size. You can do that as well. And we are done. Look at how neat and beautiful it looks. Yay! It is time to start juicing my pineapples. Feel free to use a blender or anything you feel that can help you make this juice. I repeated this process until I'm done with the pineapples and ginger. We are done. You see, it is too concentrated for me not to add in just water. I took the chaff out and added some water to it, stirred to combine. Now transferred it into my chiffon cloth and start to extract the juice out. I'm done. Look at what I extracted out. You can as well as enjoy it this way. Yeah. So next, I poured in the concentrated juice. Yeah. Stir until everything is well mixed. Next, I transferred it into my airtight jug or bottle. Yeah. You can store it in refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. And it is ready to be served. It can be served chilled and tasted so super delicious, guys. Homemade juice is the best. Always remember, health is wealth. Eating healthy is the best medication you can give to your body. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.